Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find duplicate words in a Microsoft Word document quickly and accurately. If you are working on long documents like reports, assignments, books, articles, or official files, duplicate or repeated word can reduce clarity and professionalism. This video shows easy and effective methods to detect and fix them. Microsoft Word doesn't have a direct duplicate words button, but with the right techniques we can easily identify repeated words without reading the entire document manually. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document like reports, assignments, etc. Now I am open my document. Now I go to the home menu and select this find and replace option. Click this find option. We can see here a navigation bar and you can find any word. Now I am find a word like is. Now we can see we detect the multiple uses word is very easily. You can find them easily. Otherwise you can find another word like how. We can see here many results to how. You can show this result here, otherwise you can check this result on this page because the all result is highlighted. Otherwise you can find and replace this. Now I am click this replace button. We can see here the find what you can find this, otherwise duplicate this, otherwise you can replace this. Now I am show this find option like you can find two because two button is here many. You can see here the list of this two button two, otherwise you can see the two on highlighted. Now we can see we find duplicate words or detect duplicate words very easily. You can go to find on keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl F on your keyboard. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next important video very soon. Thanks for watching.